Where do plants get their food? Plants are autotrophs. Plants synthesize their own food. But the question is how plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their food with a process called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Plants take carbon dioxide, CO2, from air, water, H2O, from soil, and sunlight as energy. Using chlorophyll in their leaves, then convert these into glucose, food, and oxygen, O2, which is released into the air. Where does the photosynthesis happen? Photosynthesis mainly happens in the leaves, inside tiny parts called chloroplasts. Why photosynthesis is important? It provides food for plants. It produces oxygen for humans and animals. It is the base of all food chains. It keeps balance in nature.